So where can you find your PDF files on your Android? And there are multiple different ways and places where you can find them. First of all, there is the place where you received it from or where you actually got access to it. So this might be an email application. In many cases, you can find emails with attachment of a PDF file or any type of file. And there you can easily just find it, right? So it is a good way to look at those type of apps for you can also check out the messages and even like different communication ways where PDF can be attached. But then you can also just find it inside of a file browser. So your phone should have a dedicated and built-in file manager. And in there, you should be able to browse all of the files on your Android device, including PDFs. So if you have trouble finding it, you can literally just look it up and find PDF files with the search bar. So that's really useful to save some time. But also do not forget about cloud storage, as a lot of people have their PDF files in Google Drive or Dropbox, OneDrive, and even more options are available to you. And this just means that not only you need to look for it in your local storage, but in the cloud storage as well. Another place to look for your PDF files is a dedicated PDF reader or editor. For instance, there is the Adobe Acrobat, which a lot of people use, and you might have specific PDF files saved within the app right here. So you don't really need to look for it anywhere else, as you can easily find it in the actual app where you made some edits or signed it or whatever else you did, and you can easily just find it there. So these are a couple of different ideas and or like places where to look for PDF files. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to find them easily. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.